If secant theta into sin theta is equal to 0, then find the value of theta given secant theta into sin theta is equal to 0. Here secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta into sin theta is equal to 0. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to 0. Tan theta is equal to tan 0 degrees is equal to 0. Therefore, theta is equal to 0. Evaluate 3 tan square 30 degrees plus tan square 60 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees minus tan 45 degrees divided by cot square 45 degrees. Given 3 tan square 30 degrees plus tan square 60 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees minus tan 45 degrees divided by cot square 45 degrees is equal to 3 into tan 30 degrees is equal to sin 30 by cos 30. That is 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. That is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square plus tan 60 is equal to sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 divided by cos 60 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. That is root 3. Root 3 whole square plus cosecant 30 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. That is 1 by 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 minus tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 divided by cot 45 degrees 1. So 1 whole square is equal to 3 into 1 by 3 plus root 3 whole square, that is 3, plus 2 minus 1, that is 1 divided by 1. 3 gets cancelled. That is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 1 divided by 1 is equal to 5.